Let's get right to it. It's Chet here from Keen Like Keenan. I hope you're having a great day. I'm a big fan of Shiftcam's products. I love their Creator Kit as well as their Pro Grip. And one of the things that I was kind of doing and playing around with is that, to use some of the stuff with a nice mic setup, you've got wires and whatnot. And all of a sudden I saw the Ulanzi J12. The J12 has two mics and a receiver. And the receiver has no wires. Basically plug it in to lightning. They also have another one that has USB-C as well, and you've got your mic right here. Now you can't put a lav on it, but you can clip it on and you're on the go. Great for content creators to go on the go and not have to worry about too much. You can throw the set right in your back pocket, grab your camera, and away you go. All right, works with the Pro Grip as well. Got a bunch of cases here that you can use with different types of phones. I believe most of them are iPhone that they make, but I was able to get a different MagSafe case, and I was able to take their adapter and put it in and use it exactly the same way, which is pretty nice. Now, one of the things that I did get was I got their full lens kit. Now, I got kind of lucky. I was on Facebook Marketplace and a guy named Eric was selling it. He'd actually purchased it off of their crowdfund that they were doing. And he purchased it and he forgot about it, and one day it showed up, so I got it at a pretty good price. It's got some anamorphic lenses here. It's got a wide angle 16mm. It's got a 60mm telephoto. It's got some adapters as well as filters and defilters. You've also got 75mm long range macro, a 10x traditional macro, as well as a 200 degree fisheye lens as well, with an air pump, lens cleaner, pen, as well as it has a universal adapter, so you can use it on Android phone and if you don't have a case, which is pretty nice stuff. Now basically you just take your lens, screw it onto your phone using the Shiftcam case and the adapter, and you basically got yourself a whole camera set up with different lenses. Now this kit is a little pricey, but if you consider, DSLR or mirrorless camera with all the different lenses you'd have to buy, it's actually a pretty good buy. Okay, so just wanted to put that out there, but a really nice setup. And another thing too, it also comes with individual cases. So you wanted to basically take out a lens and take it with you, throw it in the case, and you don't have to carry this whole metal case with you, which is pretty nice stuff. I really like their stuff, and I think that this would be a real good set for anybody that's on the go. So anyways, thanks for listening to me. Take care. Please like and subscribe and help my channel, and you have a great day.